So to give you guys an idea of sort of the overall production process to make a part, I opened up my main frame drawing. So this is the part. You can see all the planes that I've been using and just all the work features just to build off of. Basically, you pick somewhere to start. If you look in the model tree, it shows you all the tasks I did. So start off with a sketch. This sketch I started off with the head tube, and then just did an extrusion and just sort of walked through everything, just building upon parts. And so you'd make like a loft, and then you'd sketch something on top of that loft and build another thing, and just till it all sort of comes together. So some parts you'll have just a ton of operations. It won't be just extruding a simple rectangular block. You're going to have fillets all over the place, sweeps, lofts, different extrusions, cuts, holes, everything. So chances are you're going to need to work with the work features that I showed you in the last video quite a bit, as you can see. I did in here. One thing also that I really didn't mention is the model tree. I got to do a video on that, but you can go in and you can see, okay, extrusion 1 of the head tube. You can open it up and the sketch is hidden, but there was a sketch that I built the extrusion off of. So I can right click, view make it visible, or I can edit the sketch. So if I edit this sketch, I can change my initial parameters. So instead of making it a 56 millimeter outside diameter, I could say 60. It'll make it bigger, and if I go finish sketch, this is going to take a while because now everything that I've built upon that sketch, so I started with that sketch, did an extrusion, and everything I built off of that 53 that it was originally, it is being updated. So it's all completely parametric, so everything that I built on top of that will be updated and changed. And yeah, now it failed because it kind of screwed something up. I guess one of my fillet radius is too large, use a smaller radius. So one of the fillets, fillet number 34, it didn't work. So, well, I guess we could accept it anyways, so I guess that fillet just didn't work. But yeah, now we got a larger head tube. Something else is wrong in this drawing, but that's just because it's super complex. 99% of the drawings, you shouldn't have that problem. But so now we got a bigger outside diameter on the head tube, and everything else is updated, everything that could. But I guess you see this fillet here, this used to be all filleted, but now it can't be because I made this too large or something. I don't remember my design process in this, but that's the gist of it. So once you've created something, you can go back and modify it. Like if I want to be like, okay, this whole frame needs to be sort of longer, I could just change some dimensions in the initial sketches that I've used, and everything will parametrically update. So that's the process. You sort of just build everything off of initial parts. These are the fillets that failed. They were here. So I can go back and update those. I could just refillet them with a smaller radius. But anyways, yeah, you just build parametrically on top of previous buildings, and then everything will take shape, and it's very easy to go back and edit and change parameters. So yeah, that's that video. I've been saying I'll give you an example of a Lego piece, so that's coming up next.